How to organize a workplace in a one-room apartment. In brief, organize a workplace in one part of the room so that you can disguise or hide it at the end of the day. Подробнее смотрите далее. If you're inspired by the ideas for interior from the video, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links below. No one likes a messy workplace. A table cluttered at the end of the day looks disgusting. But if you have only one room, it can become both your bedroom and workplace. Step 1. Organize a workplace. You don't necessarily have to use a boring beige desk resembling an office one. Use a comfortable writing, console, or dining table that harmoniously matches your bedroom. Try to complement the table with a display platform. You can make it from a shelf fixed on two wooden supports. The display should be located at eye level and the keyboard can be conveniently hidden under the platform. If your table has no drawers, make it a fabric skirt. It will hide the printer and electrical cables. A bureau or a writing cabinet is perfectly suitable for the bedroom workplace. You can simply lift the lid when you've done your work. The most unnoticeable things are in the plain view. Use this rule when arranging a small room. Decorate your workspace with vintage furniture and fashionable accessories. Thus, you will make it an interesting bedroom element. Step 2. Make the most of the space. Make the most of all available space. Hang shelves above the table in the corner. As an option, you can use a ladder table with shelves or a modular storage system with a countertop. Cover the boxes and folders with documents with wallpaper and fabric that matches the decor style. If you want, you can take a creative approach to the decor. Put the documents in a small vintage suitcase and hide the printer paper in an old wooden box. Folding table will help you save space and separate workspace. This table makes it possible to hide the laptop and everything you need in the wall. As an option, you can use a folding table built into the wall or a butterfly-type folding table. Step 3. Use a stool or a chair instead of a computer chair. A large office chair in the bedroom makes it look uninviting, so use a soft stool or a comfortable kitchen chair instead. However, if you work at home all the time, then a computer chair is still the best option. A good idea is to find an attractive one that matches the bedroom interior. There are a few of them, but they still exist. If you already have a common chair, throw a blanket over it or cover it with a beautiful fabric. Natural materials can balance the working and technical functions of the room. Put an indoor plant or a cotton spur in the vase on the table. And if numerous wires make you feel uncomfortable, equip your workplace with as many wireless devices as possible, such as battery-powered lamps. Step 4. Locate your office in an unused space. Take a closer look at unused spaces in your apartments. A niche or a former dressing room can make a good workplace. Hang a deep, wall-long shelf at the table level. Make storage shelves above the makeshift countertop. Put the printer on the floor. Use this space for work and close the door after a workday. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Embrace the changes.